Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So you guys know the latest routine. We are doing a few minutes of cleaning in between a break. Taking a break from work. And yeah, this is a two-part two videos in one, should I say. So what I ended up doing was I felt like I didn't have enough time in this video. It was very quick for me to get everything done. So I actually put another day in this video as well. So if you're new here, my name is Tamika. I am a mortgage underwriter for a financial institution. I work from home. I have my husband and my son here. We recently moved here almost 3 years ago to North Carolina from Florida. We have two daughters that currently live in Florida, and we are just living life to the fullest, and we are just continuing to grow and trying to learn. We're trying to learn how to be better for ourselves, whether it's financially, mental health, everything. And, you know, part of that journey is, to me, a clean home. But it's not always easy. I've run into a lot of situations where I deal with bouts of depression or anxiety and things like that, and sometimes my house doesn't get clean, but this is real life over here, honey. And if you can't deal with real life, then this ain't the channel for you. But with that being said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you as soon as the next day starts. Hey everybody, so I am back and it is a different day, as you can tell, and I'm just taking my time and going in because I only had a few minutes on this particular day before I had to start my therapy session. And as you can see, my supervisor is right there with me. He is always there. I was checking the glasses as I was taking them out to make sure they were clean, and if they weren't, as you can see, I left them in there because I was going to everything that I took out, of course, I'm going to put up, but I'm going to load the dishwasher. And as I load the dishwasher, I will be starting it. But unfortunately, in this video, you won't get a chance to see me actually put my dishes away. But you'll see me, you know, basically take everything, put in the dishwasher. And this is just me doing another zone in my house. Girl, why is there a sandwich bag in the dishwasher? Like, we can't afford more sandwich bags. I just don't understand it. Do y'all have that problem in y'all house? Like, why are you cleaning sandwich bags? Anyway, so that's what I'm doing in this second half of the video. So I hope that you all enjoy. As much as I try not to be wasteful, you guys, this is just pure D wasteful. Like, that bothers me. And, you know, I've been trying to figure out, you know, the best way to cook without having so much left over. Because it's only 3 of us in the house. And sometimes we have leftovers and we eat it, you know. I pack lunches for my husband, whatever, but sometimes it's like, dog, I didn't mean to do that much rice or whatever, but just the waste, and that just gets my goat. I know what I was thinking that day, but yeah, anyway, I just wanted to tell you that. I'm off my soapbox now. Hey y'all, so I wanted to address a comment that was left under one of my videos in reference to the person liking my videos, and I really and truly appreciate that person. And she asked, could I do more videos, maybe 2 videos a week? And I want to tell you that I cannot commit to that right now because of my schedule, but I'm definitely trying to make sure I get 1 out a week, and if I can, I'll get you a bonus video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.